How you doing, guys? This is Joe with LVV HVAC. We're in Lindenhurst, New York. We're taking a look at this Trane rooftop unit. All right, so take a look here at what's going on. Compressor kicks on, blower motor kicks on. Nothing with the fan. Fan is slowly trying to start. So we're gonna take a look at this capacitor, and because that fan's not running, look at that pressure just jump right up. It's gonna go right up to 400, then pop off on overload. All right, so we're gonna test the capacitor, see if the capacitor is no good. And if the capacitor is good, okay, we're gonna make sure the electricity going to everything is fine, and then we'll most likely change out that fan if the cap's good and everything else checks out. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so the cap is fine. Turns out to be 1988, good year, and that's fine for this 20 UF capacitor. However, the fan motor is no good. We got 220 right here and right here. Okay, it's coming off, going into the capacitor, coming out of the capacitor, through with the cap, and all the electric's good, but just a bad motor. So we're gonna change it out, and we'll get you some pics after that. All right, guys, so we changed out this fan motor. Got a new rescue motor in here. Rotation's correct. You know, I don't like really to zip tie stuff right up top like this here, but it wouldn't get to any of the screws. But that will do. We cleaned up the bottom. We shows a good connection. We're able to save the fan blade, so we changed that. Let's see how it goes now. All right, actually before that, so what we did was put power on one on T1, the other power on T3. So whenever the contact energizes, it's gonna give power to the fan. We ran the 15 MFD capacitor right here, mounted it down, everything looks good. Let's start her up. There you go. Compressor, we got fan, good rotation, and we're all set here. All right, so bad fan motor. When I ohmed out the fan motor, it had mega ohms, so there was something seriously going wrong with that unit. This purple, if you're wondering, used to go to the top of the contactor, and it used to be a junction point on the old capacitor. So I'm just gonna pull this out here, and so no one has any questions if someone else comes on the roof instead of me. All right, so bad fan motor making this thing trip on high pressure. Everything should be good now. All right, guys, have a good day. Enjoy ACing.